Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm great. I'm great. What about you?
I'm good. Yeah, this is my second PK, so I'm excited to try this out. Is this normal? Like, what do people do? How do people? You said you've been on this app for 1 year,
1 year and 3 months.
and What do you do? What do you do with a PK? Can you tell me?
For sure, for sure. Yeah. Look, especially I am really using this application in order to learn English. In other words, this is called like battling.
Well, I don't want you to let me win. It's gotta be a competition, isn't it? So what's the competition?
That's the way. Yeah. So, by the way, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Welcome. I'm from Bangladesh. Really?
Nice. Yeah.
Oh.
I've talked to people from Bangladesh who live in caves in the mountains.
Well, you know what? One thing I didn't say about my profession when you asked me through your individual life, what I do actually to make money.
Yeah, so what do you do for making money?
Well, I think you would be amazed at my work. So what I do, that is, I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber.
Really? That's amazing.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so random. I'm literally like just a random lady from Canada. Like.
Oh yeah, okay, no worry. I respect every single communities, culture, religion. Everyone are very welcome to me. Honestly,
Oh, me too. Me too.
for sure.
You've been working hard.
Yeah, I'm doing really so much hard work to be more educated about this social media. I'm trying to get reach to my dream, and my dream is I want to travel across the globe.
Nice. That's my dream too. Honestly, yeah.
Oh.
I sing and play ukulele and stuff, so I'm trying to be a singer and yeah.
Oh, really? How interesting it is. That's your dreams and my dreams are the same. Welcome.
Yes, yeah. Well, thank you. I mean, you're farther along the path than I am, so congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations also to you, my friend. But
Aw.
you know what? At this moment, I'm using a content which is like as we are doing conversation, isn't it? Like as we are doing the conversation in English. So if you allow me to share this conversation to my Facebook and YouTube, I will do.
Thank you. Yeah, that'd be great. Tag me.
Oh, sure. You have a YouTube channel or Facebook page? Either anything
I
else?
have YouTube, I have Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, I have TikTok, Bigo, yeah.
Listen.
Yeah, I'm just starting, I'm just starting.
Listen, if I tag your channel link to my Facebook page or YouTube channel, really you would generate lots of subscriber and follower at the same time. Promise you.
Thank you.
Promise you.
You're so sweet. Oh, thank you so much. This is such a nice conversation. It's like God came down and gave me a gift. Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for helping me with this. Like, you really didn't have to do that, but I thank you so much. What is your name?
My name is Gazi Nayan. You can subscribe my channel. Now you can hold your phone and just subscribe my channel.
Yes. How do I do that? I subscribed, yeah.
Oh, thank you. See how many subscribers over there? Amazing.
Yeah, that's good. I love the view. I'm gonna watch some of your videos, okay?
Okay, for sure. For sure, my friend. So, you know what? One thing you will have to put in your mind, that is, you must have to be consistent.
Okay.
You must have to be consistent to be a professional content creator. Otherwise, impossible at all to get a good achievement.
Okay.
One question I would like to ask you, if it's not really a stern question to you.
Okay.
How old are you, by the way?
How old you guess?
Absolutely, you are not more than 30.
31.
31. I am.
I am more than 30.
Okay, cool. Very good, very good. Okay, but everyone will fall in love with you if anybody see your smile face, honestly.
Aww.
No, no, I'm not really blowing you up on the air, but it's true, absolutely.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay, my
I'm
friend.
glad you say that. I really appreciate everything you told me today. So thank you.
Okay, sure. But even, you know what? I really love the blonde hair that you have. Really. It makes me really so much.
Yeah, I do it myself. So.
Oh, cool. That's cool. But already, we have really spoken at least 18 minutes. That I didn't really expect. How kind you are. You are giving me your valuable time. Very glad to see you and
I'm excited for you. I hope you have fun. Come to Canada, obviously, because Canada's cold.
all right. Thank you, my friend. Love you so much from Bangladesh. Okay.
Love you.